If your Redmi Note 13 refuses to install themes, you're not alone. Let's fix this. First, check if the themes are compatible with your Redmi Note 13 model and MIUI version. Some themes just won't work with certain devices or software versions. Next, corrupted theme files could be the culprit. Try downloading the theme again, but this time from a reliable source. Running low on storage? Themes can be large files, so make sure you have enough free space on your device. Software glitches might be a problem too. Updating your MIUI software to the latest version can help fix known bugs. Sometimes third-party apps interfere with theme installations. Try disabling or uninstalling any recently added apps. Also, ensure you're using the official installation method via the Themes app or supported websites. Incorrect methods can lead to errors. Lastly, some devices or regions may have restrictions on theme customization. Check if your Redmi Note 13 has any such limitations. Still stuck? Reach out to Xiaomi customer support for more help. Happy theming!